Hey guys, it's Payam, and have you ever been on the search for a good icon, but you don't know where to get it, and all you do is just end up Googling it? Well, I'm going to show you a better way. You're going to want to go to a site called flaticon.com, okay? And once you jump on, you're going to want to make sure that next to this search box, the drop down for icons is selected. And then you're going to want to enter in the name of the icon that you're looking for. So let's assume you're looking for a good settings icon. All right, so I'm just going to type in settings. Okay, I hit enter. And first, you're going to be prompted and shown a lot of icons that are sold by Adobe stock. Okay, these you got to pay for. Okay, my guess is if you're watching this, you want it for free. So this is all you need to do. You just scroll a little further and you look for these here below, okay? And what you're gonna know, by the way, you see these Bomba socks? The only reason you see them is because I just ordered a pair. Otherwise, you're probably gonna see advertisements for what you're looking for online. But let's say you find, I don't know, let's say you like this one, okay? This first one. So you click it, and what's great about Flat Icon is a lot of these icons have alternate colors. So you can select this one. Okay, let's try another one. Let's go to, I don't know, let's try this one. Okay, there you go. A blue version instead. Now let's say you found that and you're like, I love it, let's do it. All you need to do is click on PNG or SVG depending on what you want. I believe SVG you got to pay for though. So in this case, PNG is the way to go, which is totally fine for 99.9% of circumstances. So you click that. It's going to ask you want a premium download or free. Again, my guess is you want free. So you click free. That'll download for you. You click it, you look at it, and you're done. Flaticon.com is the site to go to. And like I said, I use this all the time whenever I'm looking for icons, for website development, videos, you name it. Okay, so that's what I use. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up, share it with anybody that needs it. And if you're new to the community, make sure you subscribe as well. All right. Talk to you guys soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.